Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best hair repair treatments you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many hair repair treatments and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each hair repair treatments so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a hair repair treatment. First, check the ingredients list carefully. Look for nourishing elements like proteins, vitamins, and natural oils that strengthen and restore damaged hair. Avoid harsh chemicals such as sulfates and parabens as they can worsen dryness. Second, match the treatment to your hair type, fine, thick, curly, or color treated, because each type needs different care. Third, read product reviews and check brand reputation to ensure quality and effectiveness. Also, consider how often you plan to use it and whether it fits into your routine easily. Lastly, compare prices and sizes to find the best value without compromising quality. Taking time to research these factors helps you make a smart purchase and achieve healthier, stronger hair. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.